What service business will be profitable in 2024? You might be surprised at the opportunities that await you. Welcome to our exploration of the top 10 service-based business ideas for 2024. As our world continues to evolve rapidly, service-based businesses are emerging as the new frontier of entrepreneurship. They offer a unique blend of flexibility, personal connection, and innovation, making them a popular choice for many. Before we jump into the video, please note that I may earn a referral fee from the services and companies I feature, but rest assured, there's no extra cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. Northwest Registered Agent is professional formation service to file your LLC. It's an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Don't forget to check out the link and full review of Northwest Registered Agent in description down below. Now, let's continue the video. So, are you ready to discover the future of business? Stay tuned to find out the top 10 service-based business ideas that can be profitable in 2024. Personal trainer business. Starting with number 10, we have the personal trainer business. In recent years, there's been a seismic shift towards health and wellness. This trend isn't slowing down anytime soon, and the demand for personal trainers is on the rise. More and more people are recognizing the importance of an active lifestyle and are seeking professional guidance to meet their fitness goals. Personal training is no longer confined to the gym. The digital age has opened up new avenues for this profession. Virtual training sessions are becoming increasingly popular, providing convenience for both the trainer and the client. It allows trainers to reach a wider audience and clients to train in the comfort of their own homes. This business can be started with a relatively low investment. All you need is a solid knowledge of fitness, a passion for helping others, and the ability to market yourself effectively. So if you have a knack for fitness, this could be a lucrative business idea for you. Bookkeeping services. At number 9, consider offering bookkeeping services. That's where bookkeepers come in, ensuring that every dollar is accounted for. Bookkeeping is more than just crunching numbers. It's about understanding a business's financial health, which can guide their future decisions. As a bookkeeper, you'll play an integral role in a company's success, providing valuable insights and helping to steer the ship in the right direction. What's more, bookkeeping is a service that can often be done remotely, making it a flexible option for those who prefer to work from home or are looking for a side gig. With the rise of cloud-based accounting software, you can easily manage your clients' books from anywhere in the world. And remember, everyone needs someone who can handle the numbers. So, if numbers are your thing, bookkeeping could be a great fit. Cleaning services. Coming in at number 8 is starting a cleaning service. Now, here's an industry that seemingly never goes out of demand. Just think about it, whether it's a bustling office space or a cozy home, cleanliness is a priority. And that's where your cleaning service comes into play. In the commercial sector, businesses are always on the lookout for reliable services to keep their premises spotless. Residences, on the other hand, require regular cleaning, and many homeowners simply don't have the time or energy to handle it all by themselves. What's more, with the right equipment and a small team, you can start a cleaning service with relatively low startup costs. And as your client base grows, so too can your business. You can expand your services, hire more employees, and even branch out into specialized cleaning services. Consider this option if you're looking for a business with a steady income. Dog grooming. At lucky number 7, we have dog grooming. Now, let's dive into this delightful venture. The pet industry has been steadily growing over the years, and it's showing no signs of slowing down. People are treating their pets more like family members, and with that comes the demand for high-quality services, just like grooming. Think about it. Dogs need regular grooming to stay healthy and happy. This isn't just about making them look good for their Instagram photos, it's about maintaining their well-being. Grooming includes tasks like bathing, hair trimming, nail clipping, and even teeth cleaning. And here's the best part. You don't necessarily need a brick-and-mortar shop to start this business. Many dog groomers operate mobile services, visiting their furry clients right at home. It's a flexible business model that can be adapted to suit your lifestyle and your clients' needs. If you love animals, this could be a profitable and enjoyable business. Who wouldn't want to spend their days with man's best friend? Before you may start your service business, there are various legal formalities to take care of. While state-by-state regulations and criteria may vary, the following is a broad outline of the steps required to legally establish your firm. Choose your business structure. There are 4 main types of business structures: sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, and limited liability company, LLC. Sole proprietorship. This is the simplest structure and is often chosen by individual entrepreneurs. As a sole proprietor, you and your business are considered the same entity. The ease of startup and lower cost are major advantages of this structure. However, it doesn't offer liability protection, meaning your assets could be at risk if your business incurs debt or is sued. General partnership. If you're going into business with someone else, a general partnership might be suitable. Both partners share the responsibilities, profits, and losses of the business. Like a sole proprietorship, a general partnership doesn't provide liability protection. Corporation. A corporation is a separate legal entity owned by shareholders. This means the business, not the owners, is liable for its debts and any legal actions. Starting a corporation involves more paperwork and higher costs, but it provides strong liability protection. Limited Liability Company, LLC. An LLC is a hybrid structure that combines the simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership with the liability protection of a corporation. It's a popular choice for small businesses because it offers flexibility and protects the owners from personal liability. Forming an LLC sounds complicated and expensive, but using an entity formation service guides you through the process so you know it was done right. Most popular service is Northwest Registered Agent, renowned for its exceptional privacy protection features. For just $39 plus state fees, clients can enjoy unparalleled peace of mind along with a complimentary registered agent service for the first year. This comprehensive package not only ensures top-notch privacy safeguards but also provides excellent value for money. With Northwest Registered Agent, customers can rest assured that their sensitive information is in safe hands, allowing them to focus on their business endeavors with confidence. Graphic design. Halfway through our list at number 6, we have graphic design. This field is halfway through our list at number 6, we have a graphic design. An integral part of countless industries, serving as the visual voice of a brand or a product. From creating compelling advertisements that capture consumer attention, to designing sleek, user-friendly websites that make navigation a breeze, the demand for graphic design is ever-present and growing. Every business, whether a burgeoning startup or an established corporation, needs a distinct visual identity to set it apart from the competition. That's where graphic designers come in. They craft unique logos, design engaging social media posts, and even shape product packaging to reflect the brand's character. Furthermore, with the rise of digital media and online marketing, graphic design has taken on new dimensions. Designers are now tasked with creating interactive elements and digital experiences that keep audiences engaged. So, if you have a creative flair and an eye for aesthetics, a graphic design business could be a rewarding venture. Gardening service. At number 5, consider starting a gardening service. Gardening services are in high demand, and it's not just about mowing lawns. From maintaining lush green spaces to creating stunning landscape designs, gardening services encompass a wide range of tasks. The beauty of this business idea is its scalability. You can start small, perhaps by offering basic lawn care services, and gradually expand into more specialized areas like organic gardening or landscape design. Plus, as more people appreciate the value of outdoor spaces for relaxation and entertainment, the demand for professional gardening services is expected to continue rising. Moreover, this is a business that can truly benefit from your personal touch. Your passion for plants, your creativity, and your attention to detail can all help set your gardening service apart from the competition. So, if you've got a green thumb and a knack for creating beautiful outdoor spaces, a gardening service could be your ticket to entrepreneurial success. This could be a great business for those with a green thumb. Consulting. Coming in at number 4, we have consulting services. The beauty of consulting is its range. You might be a business consultant, a marketing consultant, or even a legal consultant. Essentially, if you have expertise in a particular area, there's likely a market for your knowledge. Let's break it down. Business consultants help companies improve their performance by analyzing existing organizational problems and developing plans for improvement. Marketing consultants, on the other hand, offer advice to businesses on marketing strategy and planning, while legal consultants provide expert and professional legal advice. The potential for high income is significant in consulting. Why? Because companies are willing to pay for expertise that can improve their business. You're not just selling a service, you're selling knowledge, experience, and solutions. Consulting is a business model that's built on trust, reputation, and results. So, if you're a seasoned professional with a wealth of knowledge in a certain field, consulting could be a profitable business for you. Social media marketing. At number 3, we have social media marketing. In today's digital age, the power of social media is indisputable. It's not just about posting random photos or updates anymore. It's a strategic tool for businesses, a platform to reach potential customers, build brand awareness, and even drive sales. Imagine being the one who helps businesses navigate this complex, ever-changing landscape. As a social media marketer, you'd be creating engaging content, running ad campaigns, analyzing user behavior, and more. The demand for these skills is high and growing, as more businesses recognize the value of a strong social media presence. And the beauty of it? You can work from anywhere, with just a computer and an internet connection. This business has great potential for growth, and can be extremely lucrative if you're able to demonstrate real, tangible results for your clients. If you understand the ins and outs of social media, this could be a great business opportunity. Business coaching. At number 2, consider becoming a business coach. Now, more than ever, individuals are venturing into the world of entrepreneurship. They're launching their startups, expanding their small businesses, and navigating the turbulent waters of corporate life. But guess what? They don't have to do it alone. As a business coach, you're not just a guide, you're a lifeline. You provide strategies, offer insights, and deliver the essential tools these budding entrepreneurs need to thrive. The market for business coaches is growing exponentially. Why? Because every new entrepreneur is a potential client. They could be someone with $1 million idea but lacking the business acumen to make it a reality. Or an established business owner who needs to navigate a challenging market. You, as a business coach, can be the catalyst for their success. If you have a passion for helping others succeed, business coaching could be a rewarding business. Photographer. And finally, at number 1 is a photography business. In the age of visual storytelling, photography has emerged as a powerful tool. It's not just about capturing moments anymore, it's about telling a story, conveying a message, and creating an impact. And that's where the business potential lies. There's a wide spectrum of opportunities for photographers. From wedding photography, where you can immortalize a couple's special day, to commercial photography, where you can help businesses build their brand image. There's also event photography, product photography, portrait photography, and so much more. Each of these niches has its own unique appeal and potential for profitability. But what makes photography a lucrative business idea? The potential for high income. With the right skills, creativity, and marketing strategies, you can charge premium rates for your services. This is especially true for specialized niches like wedding or commercial photography, where quality and expertise are highly valued. And let's not forget about selling prints or licensing your photos online. With the right shots, these can provide a steady stream of passive income. There's also the satisfaction of doing something you love. If you have a passion for photography, turning it into a business can be incredibly rewarding. So, if you've got an eye for detail, a knack for storytelling, and a love for capturing moments, then starting a photography business might just be your calling. If you have a passion for photography, this could be a profitable business idea in 2024. And there you have it, the top 10 service-based business ideas for 2024. From personal training to bookkeeping, cleaning services to dog grooming, graphic design to gardening, consulting to social media marketing, and business coaching to photography, the potential for success in service-based businesses is vast and varied. These ideas are just the tip of the entrepreneurial iceberg. Remember, the best business for you is one that matches your skills, interests, and lifestyle. Good luck with your entrepreneurial journey in 2024. In conclusion, with the right skills, service area, tools, and technology, you have the ability to build a thriving business. As you embark on your new business journey, it's important to take advantage of the various small business tools and resources available. Northwest Registered Agent can assist you in streamlining several crucial small business tasks. Northwest offers to walk you through the formation process for free. When you make a free account with Northwest, you'll be given online tools for LLC formation, maintenance walkthrough, and company document creation. All you'll have to pay is your state's filing fee. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, Northwest will file your paperwork for as little as $39 plus your state filing fee. This option includes compliance filing, phone service, and lifetime support from local corporate guides. If you choose to pay in full for Northwest's LLC formation service, you'll be charged a $39 service filing fee, plus an expedited filing fee that varies based on state of incorporation. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. The full review and tutorial of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below.